So I never throw out my prawn shells when I'm peeling prawns. These are from the freezer, about 250 grams. Then I'm going to need 15 grams of ginger, just slice it up, and 5 cloves or 20 grams of garlic. Slice it up and set it aside. Then I've got about a teaspoon or 4 grams of Thai red chilies that have just been chopped up, mushed up there. And then 50 grams of lemongrass. These are the top parts that don't normally get used as much. So I bruise them first and then just cut them up into chunks. And then I'm going to need 1 lovely star anise, like this, and 500 grams of unsalted butter that you're just going to cut up into rough, big blocks, if you like, nothing too fancy. And this is the basis of your butter. Could not be easier. Okay, get a nice little pan like this, add a wodge of butter into it, put in your garlic, your ginger, your star anise, your lemongrass, get that all in there, and then you're just going to slowly saute it. You don't want any real color on it for about 5 to 6 minutes until it roughly looks like this. Then add in your chili at this stage so it doesn't blow your head off. Watch out, this is going to go right up your nose. So give this a little mix around for about a minute to 2 minutes. Then add in the prawn shells and start cooking these off. Basically, you're going to try and extract the flavor from this just by sauteing everything. So keep going. You can see they've started to reduce. They've all changed color, and you want the pan to be bottom. You don't want any kind of like bits stuck too much on the bottom. A little bit around the side is okay. And then start adding your butter in stages. I like to add a half at a time. Wait until that is melted. Scrape off any bottom bits. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. Plenty butter. Right, now once that's all melted, you're just going to bring it up to the boil, then turn it down to a simmer for around 10 minutes. Nothing too crazy. It's just going to infuse the butter with all those wonderful flavors. Give that a little mix around. At this stage, turn it off, let it sit for a few minutes, and then we're going to pass it through a sieve lined with some muslin or cheesecloth. You can use like a blue kitchen towel too. Squeeze it out all the way through there. You can see that lovely butter. And an optional step I like to do is just squeeze everything out. Don't forget to wipe all the butter off your hands as well. And you have this golden prawn chili lemongrass nectar. Once this sets, you can just see it's already starting to set now. You can just serve it up however you like. I'm just going to make a lovely little rocher. It's been a while, so let's see how this one turns out. Not too bad. Take your spoon, put it down, make sure it's hot spoon as well. Drag it through the butter and put it onto your plate, and you got a lovely rocher. Not bad considering I haven't done that in a few years. Quite a few years, I might add. So there you go. You've got a lovely prawn chili lemongrass butter. You can do it like this in your rochers. Put them in the fridge so when your guests come, you can just serve them up. Put this on a nice little bit of bread. This is fantastic with omelets, by the way, as well in the morning, and prawn toast. So yeah, give this one a go. Mix up the flavors. I highly recommend this staple butter. Right, if you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.